This is I'm going to show you how to transfer a drawing from this side to this side. So this is what you are going to do Saturday. You are going to open both files, and then after opening both of them, you will transfer this to the other drawing. So that's what you are going to do on the exam. So let's go. So you just right click, you drag the mouse, and then you right click again. So you selected this drawing, and then what you are going to do now, you come right here, you come right there. So you come right there, you copy it to clipboard, copy it, done. And then you just go open the second drawing, you come here to paste, then there's your drawing, you paste it anywhere you want. The drawing still floating, and then until you right click, and then you will paste it right there, right wherever you right click. So let's paste it right here. There's your drawing. Let's go to show layer. It's fine. So then you are done with this step.